Robert. We have Tony Forte.
Robert.
Hey, Tony.
Ruben.
Been a Hoover associate for
Manny?
a long time. Tony's been a long time. Most people don't know.
Is this the lucky one? Okay, guys, well, what an exciting tournament that we have going on here. Ron Hoover RV and Marine Center. How many years have they been doing this?
This is actually, believe it or not, it was supposed to be our third, but due to COVID, it's actually our second. It's our second year to do it. We're so excited to be back a second time. Last year was a great success, and man, it's even better this year.
I know, and let me tell you, I pulled away Blake, Anthony.
That's me.
And he oversees how many Ron Hoover stores?
We have 15 stores. We started in 1987 when Ron Hoover started the first store. We've grown now. I've been with the company 16 years. In my 16 years, we've grown from 3 to 15 stores, from 50 employees to over 500.
They are our corporate sponsor. Of course, you guys know they're on our show all the time, and I'm super excited to be here. This is actually my first year being here. I wasn't able to come last year due to a COVID situation,
sure.
And I told Dustin I'm here this year for sure.
Well, I'm glad you're here.
Yes, I know, and I'm super excited. So what else going on? Tell us.
So we have a lot of things going on. We have inside, of course, tonight we have the concert with Kevin Fowler. That's our kickoff. Tomorrow morning the fishing starts at 6 o'clock, Vicki. And then of course tomorrow night we have our banquet where we give out, there will be a total of over $150,000 worth of awards and prizes. So come on out, there's a lot of fun things going on.
I know, and I can't wait. We're fishing it tomorrow, so wish us luck. And thank you so much. I know you're busy. I know you need to get back in there and do your announcements, but thanks for taking a few minutes.
Thank you for letting us speak in behalf of Make-A-Wish and Ron Hoover.
Yes,
thank you, Vicki.
Yes, and remember, if you ever want to donate, you can always go to Ron Hoover and make a donation to Make-A-Wish, or you can go see them for an RV, a boat, or anything outdoors, I say, in the outdoor world. Okay, thanks. Don't go away. We'll be right back.
Come along with us and enjoy the great outdoors in the state of Texas. Texas Outdoor Lifestyles. Brought to you by
Point Blank Sporting Goods, Danny's Pawn Shop, Ron Hoover RV and Marine Center, Mayak Boats, Jim's Pier, Friends of the RGV League, Enbridge, Life Takes Energy, Social Life, the magazine of the Rio Grande Valley, Atlas Electrical, Air Conditioning, Refrigeration and Plumbing, The Glam Room, Pro Valley Foods, and Select Properties.
Texas Outdoor Lifestyles. It's not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle.
Okay, guys, I just pulled Chris aside, and let me tell you, Chris, this is exciting.
This is amazing so far, isn't it?
Oh my God, and all for Make-A-Wish Foundation.
Make-A-Wish is going to come away a big winner of this. Not just the anglers, but Make-A-Wish is going to become a huge winner from this event.
Oh, I know. That's super exciting, guys. And let me tell you, Ron Hoover is a big fan of Make-A-Wish.
We are a huge fan of Make-A-Wish. We support them at almost every one of our 15 locations in South Texas. I think actually all of them do. But it really started right here in the Rio Grande Valley.
Okay, Chris, how many boats do we have in this tournament right now?
I think we're somewhere right around 200.
Wow, 200
yeah,
boats.
Right at 200 boats.
Oh my gosh, well, I'm in it, and I'm getting pretty nervous because there's a lot of anglers.
There's a lot of
there.
good fishermen and fisherwomen in this tournament, so it's going to be a good competition. But the rules are really cool, right? It's not just the biggest of the biggest fish. I mean, it's a really neat slot. We really encourage conservation, so there's some extra points and things for bringing in live fish.
That's awesome.
Only one trout, where the trout thing's a big deal. Only one trout, no bigger than 20 inches. So, we're really trying to make sure everybody's very conservation minded.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Now, and Kevin Fowler's coming in, right?
Tonight at 7 o'clock, 7:30, I think. Kevin Fowler goes on tonight. We have a great comedian tomorrow night. Somebody tomorrow night's going to win a brand new RV. Somebody tomorrow night's going to win a brand new boat.
Hopefully me.
And you don't even have to catch a fish, and you can win a brand new boat or an RV.
That's what's
super awesome.
And that's all included in your entry fee.
That's right.
Texas Outdoor Lifestyles.
Get you some.
Okay, guys, well, look who I dragged in the RV. Dr. J and Sharu. Oh my God, and Kevin Fowler's about to come on, right? Oh my God, okay. So where are you guys fishing tomorrow?
We're fishing with Freedom Bank, so we're excited for our sponsor and to support Ron Hoover, all they do for our community, and just excited to get out on the bay and fish.
Woo-hoo, Sharu.
It's going to be a great time out on the water, and we're very grateful to be here. We're really excited, and we might win this trailer tomorrow.
Oh, really? I thought I was going to win. Oh my God. Okay, guys, well, I pulled him out of the audience, and Kevin Fowler's out, so let's go see Kevin Fowler. And what do we always say, guys? Get you some!
Mayak Boats, the luxury boat on the water. Hi, I'm Vicki Chrysler Hinojosa with Texas Outdoor Lifestyles, and I want to tell you a little bit about Danny's Pawn Shop and Sporting Goods.
Did you know that you could pawn, sell, or even upgrade your guns here? They even have reloading supplies.
This isn't your grandpa's pawn shop. They have high-end jewelry, awesome Rolexes that I've bought. They even have a diamond grader on staff.
Not only can you find your guns, scopes, accessories, but the staff is very helpful and patient.
So come on down to Danny's Pawn Shop, downtown McAllen, and be sure to tell Danny that I said to get you some.
Keeping that bait fresh. If the bait is white, the fish don't bite.
But what are we doing? Why are we here? Why are we here at 5 in the morning?
Ron Hoover tournament, baby. Yeah.
We untied? We are.
You're untied.
Hard
Ready
pulls
to
are
rock
off.
and roll.
That was on camera, by the way. Take it. I'm taking it.
Oh my God! You see what I have to put up with?
Big Mama was dropping a deuce.
Oh my God! Woo!
Yeah,
What a nice open, guys! What a nice open! Talk about my deuces.
We're waiting for 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. to start fishing, and it was 5:58 about a minute ago, so we're close. And then Vicky Manny mentioned that he heard some footsteps, and Vicky didn't want to own up to it.
No, I got up at 3 in the morning. No.
The truth comes out.
Oh my God.
The dirty truth.
That's such
And they weren't like
BS.
soft footsteps, they were angry footsteps.
Official time, Sam, 6:01. Got that?
Sure.
We're legal.
It's actually the Vicky bar that we're fishing right now. It's a grass bed, and we're trying to get on an edge to throw this way because the tide's coming in, and I think the fish are going to be on the backside. At least that's what the thinking is.
No. It's okay, we don't need a fat one, we just need a long one. Second trout of the day. Maybe going back to mama. Just right over 15. Baby's undersized, so let's let him go and let him grow. Ah!
There you go.
quick release.
It was a professional release.
Feels good. We need 20 inches. Pick yours up.
Well, what, are we gonna bring him in or what?
Yeah, let's keep them alive. So we can catch the shark.
Caught a catfish, and we had a malfunction of sorts. So thank God we had 2 on board, and we're still good to go. On Into the Blue, the guy said 2 is 1 and 1 is none. So you should always have redundancy. That's why, right there.
Oh, there you go. A double?
Unfortunately, no.
No? Yeah, you have a double.
Oh, you
All
are?
right,
You're still
Maddie.
hooked up.
We got something.
Let's
It's
see.
running.
Who's it bigger?
Huh?
Bigger.
I don't know whose jacket's gonna be bigger, Ruben.
It looks like yours right now. Man, he's looking good. This looks like a redfish, really.
Daddy, you got.
Maybe it's got 100 spots where it's a big old catfish or a jackfish. We'll see. Staying down. Why is it staying down?
It's a jacket. Hold it. It's a jack.
Oh, I just got this one.
We got a triple?
Yeah.
Well.
More shark bait.
Yeah.
Ah, what is this? Man, they sure are fun to fight, aren't they? Let's see, I haven't seen them yet. Too bad this isn't a jackfish tournament. Perfect size too, no? Boom.
Nice size for a shark.
Hey, we got shark bait, guys.
Go.
It's not that big.
Never know. Never know. 16 and a half.
One back.
Gee, wow. Gee, wow. Well, that was exciting. That was exciting. Not the right fish.
2 jacks and a trout.
Not the right fish. You on, Robert?
Robert, come
Why
on.
are you so quiet? Come on. Stop playing around. Oh. Oh, let's see.
Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen.
He's coming in hot, ladies and gentlemen.
Woohoo. Oh, 19 and a little over a half.
Thank you, Vicky.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for taking care of my fish.
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah.
Nice one.
I think he'll go home.
Ron Hoover RV and Marine in Donna wants to thank the Valley for making us the largest boat and RV dealer in Texas. More and more people in the Valley are learning that for selection, price, and financing for any credit rating, Ron Hoover RV and Marine in Donna. We sell family fun.
At Social Life Magazine, we believe in community. That's why we're so proud to have the opportunity to document all that the Rio Grande Valley has accomplished. A community built on trust and shared values. It's friends becoming partners and partners becoming friends. Because together, we can accomplish so much more.
So from all of us at Social Life Magazine, thank you.
Thank you for letting us be a part of your community.
Social Life Magazine, the magazine of the Rio Grande Valley.
Doesn't look like it's that big. Doesn't feel like it's that big.
You need that net, Robert?
No, don't need a net.
Huh?
Don't need a net.
That's big
This
one?
is a baby.
No.
Close.
This is a baby.
Long.
Rod in the rod holder. Okay, guys. Perfect corner of the mouth. Hook up. Yeah. Should we measure him? Should we just throw him back?
Yeah.
16.
Let's get him in the sun over here.
How big that mouth is.
Those
See ya.
teeth are sharp.
Get your soul.
Go, Robert. Come on. Oh! Oh! No! Uh-huh. Ah, dang it. Wait.
21.
Pinch it.
He's
I don't
over.
know. We can maybe.
He's over.
No, they're gonna stretch it out and freeze it.
I guess we'll throw him back. He's too big. Sorry, guys.
Another baby. Is this the land of the baby?
Ándale.
That's on film.
cheerleader days. Vicky.
For cheerleader in San Carlos.
I'm safe!
The cheerleader in San Carlos, but she's still hooked up.
You dropped it.
Oh my god! Okay, let's see. What is he? What is he? What is he? Oh! I freaking did the splits for a catfish. Okay, guys, we're looking for, what are we looking for? A 21 incher? The shark!
You gotta stress.
It's a shark! It's a hammerhead! Oh, well, hammerhead sounds good.
Bonnet nose. Hammerheads are straight. And these are like bay sharks.
Boom. Our little rat rat. Golly. Tough day of fishing. Can't get that right. 21 inch red that we need. Never know.
Oh, I know.
You gonna throw back a 21 incher?
Measure.
I scared you.
15. 15.
Ooh.
16. 15. How big?
Come on, Manny. Get it out.
I would.
21! Ah.
You roll. He's 18. Every bit of 18.
18. 18 incher. And look, he's got a thing on his nose.
Yeah,
Okay,
right,
let him go.
just straight
Boom. Let me get you some. Oh my goodness, everybody's coming in. So you got a flounder?
Got a good flounder.
Oh, cool.
Hot on the sides red today. Hopeful for the tournament.
You're gonna weigh in my fish, Manny?
No, this is your fish. I was gonna clean up the boat.
I just want to make sure.
I'm just here to make you look good, all right?
Whose fish is it?
You caught this fish,
Oh,
Vicky
I
Lynn. You
caught
cast
it.
it, I saw it.
Oh.
Okay, I'll vouch.
Okay.
Lie detector, whatever you want.
Let's go weigh it
Let's
in.
go.
Let's go.
I just think it's too heavy. I don't want you to hurt your arm.
What'd you get? All three of them?
We got all three. We didn't get the second red though. We couldn't find the red. Oh my God, I have no idea where they were.
Could not find the red.
We got 8 flounder.
I know we didn't fish with flounder.
We only needed the one. I'm like, oh, no, we got 8, and I'm like, I need just the one.
You caught 8 flounder? Oh my God. Where did you catch them?
Oh, in the water. In the water, Vicky.
I tried. I tried, guys. I tried. Don't get me sitting down on the job.
Lazy. Lazy.
What the hell?
Because she caught all the fish today.
Yeah. I'm not the only one that's being weighed in. Couldn't find those reds, man. One trout.
One trout. One trout. $19.
Right.
Thank you.
Get yourself.
Point Blank Sporting Goods. They're the experts you got to talk to before your next big hunt. The largest selection of hunting bows in the valley, outdoor accessories, plus hunting and self-defense weapons. Not to mention a huge gun range and archery range.
Come on into Point Blank Sporting Goods and be sure to tell them that I said to get you some.
Hi, I'm Vicki Lynn Chrysler Hinojosa, your Texas real estate agent. Are you looking to build your dream home? I can help you with that. I only work with some of the finest home builders. From oceanfront properties to the most luxury home and ranches. Call on Vicki Lynn Chrysler, your #1 real estate agent. Call Vicki Chrysler Hinojosa. I want to be your Texas real estate agent.
Hi, Sarah Hammond with Atlas Electrical Air Conditioning, Refrigeration, and Plumbing Services 24/7, and we're just having fun with
Yvette Hinojosa, your Ms. Continental model.
Today we're talking generators. On your portable generators, you want to make sure that you keep it 10 feet away from any door, ventilation, or filtration system. Keep your home and your family safe. Second tip, you want to make sure the generator is dry. Third tip, you want to make sure
your generator is grounded.
Call Atlas, we got you covered.
Closed captioning provided by High Heat Outdoors. Puro mezquite.
You know, the Make-A-Wish Foundation, I'm going to really start with giving a lot of that credit to my brother. It was something that he felt like he really wanted to get involved in something that meant a lot to him and his family, and he knew this is an organization that meant a lot to my mom and our family too, and well, he just kind of did it. Sometimes when you work for the Hoovers, you ask permission, and sometimes you just do stuff, and so Dustin just did it. But it's been so powerful for us, and it means a lot to our family, and it probably means more to our employees than it does anything. But this event is going to enable you and us and everybody to give a lot of money to people, to an organization that helps people, that helps children live dreams and do things, even if it's just for a little while, they may not ever be able to do. So this is really all about you guys and what y'all can do for these kids, and we appreciate that. Thank you very much.
That's a hell of a job, guys. A lot of boats came out. A lot of people came out to fish today. It's incredible. So if you're on the leaderboard, you guys should be proud You competed against probably the best anglers in South Texas. So be proud of yourselves.
And one more question. Did we fish out of a boat bought from Ron Hoover RV and Marine? Of course, of course.
Yeah, all
That's right, 1,000 extra dollars. So Omar, did I get that right? The first place and second place team both fished out of boats bought from Ron Hoover RV and Marine.
First and second place in the guided division. With an amount of $4,920, Size Matters number 1. Once more, Size Matters number 1. Final winner, the red with the most spots, was a total of 17 spots. E&B Logistics, E&B Logistics for $4,000. Congratulations, guys.
$4,000 for spots on a redfish, not bad. Here we go, Rosie. Jesus Rosas. Thank you, Ron Hoover. Thank you, Ron Hoover.